So I'm just showing you guys, everything is still like how I set it up last night, except I brought all of my makeup products over here. The rest of my makeup products are in the back. I don't really collect a lot of makeup. I just basically know what I like to use for the moment. And I'm just going to organize everything that I am going to be using and then throwing out some stuff that I don't really use anymore. Let me just get into the video and I hope you guys enjoy this. All of my palettes inside of here. I have to get a little bit creative. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots, which is wonderful for the space. This was $8.99 at my local Ross that has brow products in it. So I'm going to get creative on how to basically set up all of my eyeshadow palettes to the left inside of this one. Now these are old palettes. I'm not going to really show you guys the makeup that I have because I do want to kind of save it for a vanity tour. But these are really old palettes that I do have from BH Cosmetics. When I first started shopping with BH Cosmetics, I actually threw out a lot of my old palettes, but I have some palettes from Kiko Milano, have some palettes from Paris that my brother brought back, but most importantly what I really use is drugstore palettes or Morphe palettes. So this is the Morphe James Charles palette. It doesn't fit obviously like that, so I'm gonna have to sit it in the back like that, which is pretty fine with me as well. And then I'm just gonna go, this one fits this way. Then I'm just gonna stack the rest of them and from biggest to smallest. So we've got this one, we've got Eyes on the 80s. I've got this one here, Forever Glam. That way it's a lot easier and more organized. I can just reach instead of having to dig. We've got my facial sprays right here. We've got our new brush set right there. Really cute, really nice beauty blenders that are about to get cleaned. And we stacked all the makeup in there. This is all the remaining makeup that I have left over, which I have to figure out where I want it to go. Like I said, I bought a lot of products from Ulta, so I have to figure out where I want those to go as well. And I might have to go and get another one of these. Like I said, it was $22, so I might just have one on each side and figure out where I'm gonna stick some of this stuff, because these types of things can actually go on the windowsill like that, which I don't mind doing. The brushes can do that as well, just in case I need to move this over here into the middle and then have another one of those right there. So that's basically all the organization that I'm gonna do so far. When I do my Ulta haul, then I'll show you guys how I place the other makeup in here, or maybe I'll do that before I post this so I can already add it in there. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment box below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys soon.